Hello, all of you. I hope you all are doing good. This video is for all those students of CA final who are going to appear for the CA final examination in future. As you can see on the screen, the discussion for this video is which subject to choose for paper number 6. As we all know that in paper number 6 we have options. So which subject to choose? That is the main question, and that is the main difficulty that student face. Okay, now why to choose this subject wisely, or why institute has given this option to you people to choose one subject? Okay, why like that? So first let us discuss our other subjects like paper number 1, that is financial reporting. Paper number 2, that is strategic financial management. Then we have paper number 3, advanced auditing and professional ethics. Then we have paper number 4, that is corporate and economic law. Corporate and economic law. Okay, this is our group 1. Then in group 2, first paper, that is paper number 5, that is strategic cost management and performance evaluation, HCMPE, or probably commonly known as costing, but it is actually not a costing. Okay, क्योंकि कॉस्टिंग के साथ साथ उसके अंदर मैनेजमेंट का पार्ट भी है, परफॉर्मेंस इवैल्यूएशन का पार्ट भी है, तो आप सिर्फ उसको कॉस्टिंग नहीं बोल सकते. पेपर नंबर 6 की बात अभी मैं नहीं कर रहा. पेपर नंबर 7 इज डायरेक्ट टैक्स लॉ एंड इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन. And paper number 8 is about indirect tax. Now, if I talk about the time when you cleared your CA inter examination till the time that you are going to appear for the CA final examination, the time period or the timeline which you see over here, this time you have spent maximum in your articleship. In your articleship, that means you have gained some knowledge regarding anything. Okay, like taxation. Some of you might have done the articleship in taxation. Taxation, okay, taxation in that also the more precisely that in taxation, some of might have done the direct tax only. Some of might have done the articleship in transfer pricing. Some of might have done the articleship in respect of indirect taxes. And indirect taxes also in the precise area of the GST and custom, or some of might have done the articleship in the field of excise also. Or else I can say that you might have done the articleship in the field of accounting, that is a financial reporting. Okay, preparing the financial statements for the consolidation financial statement, that is holding company, subsidiary company, or their associates, and you can say the maintenance of the accounting and all the things. Okay, then some of might have done the articleship in the field of due diligence, mergers and acquisitions, and all that things. Okay, so you must have gained this knowledge in your articleship. Now, based on this knowledge, in the articleship only, we people normally decide कि after becoming a chartered accountant, in which field I'm going to choose, or in which field I'm going to practice. Okay. So for this purpose, institute has kept this paper number 6. For this purpose, institute has kept this paper number 6. That is a specialization in a subject. Now, what are the options that institute is giving to us for the paper number 6? The very first option that institute has given, that is risk management. The very first option is risk management. Option B is financial services and capital market. Option number C that is given is international taxation. Then option D that we have is economic laws. Then option E is about global financial reporting standards. And then option number F that we have is multidisciplinary study. Okay, now let's discuss one by one. Say if you people are more interested in SFM, that is strategic financial management. So in that strategic financial management also you have covered some of the topic of a risk management or some of the thing of risk management. Okay. So for this purpose, if you more like SFM, then you should go for which subject? Risk management. Then you should go for which subject? Risk management. Okay. On the same way or on the parallel line, that means with respect to SFM also, there is also one more subject that is financial services and capital market, but this will be more, both the subjects are of theory only. Okay. Here the SEBI involvement and everything will be there. Okay, in the subject that is financial services and capital market. Okay, if you will see that the in the subject in depth, if you will go, so here you will find the some of the topics like global financial market, capital market, secondary market, money market, mutual funds, private equity, investment banking, credit rating, all that things. Okay, so this is one of the option. Let's say if you are more interested in direct tax and international taxation, okay, or you want that you want to do something great in the international taxation, okay, you let's say you want a great knowledge of transfer pricing and DTAA and the non-resident taxation and all that things, then you must go for which subject? That is international taxation. Okay, international taxation, you will get one more benefit if you go for international taxation. Frankly speaking, the international taxation part covers in the paper number 7 is 30 marks. And if you are prepared for the international taxation on the previous day for the 100 marks, then this paper will be just a cup of tea for you. This 30 marks is never ever you have lost. It is in your hand only. International taxation. Okay. So you can go for that also. Then we have a subject called corporate and economic law. Corporate and economic law, if you are more interested in law or if you love to do law, okay, then you can go for the option number D, that is economic laws. Then option number D is for you. Option number E, that is global financial reporting standards. If you like to do the financial reporting things, or if you like to do the Indian accounting standards or the international financial reporting standards you want to do in depth, then you can go for the global financial reporting standard. That is point number E, that is option number E. Okay. And the last one is multidisciplinary case study. Generally, people don't opt for this subject, multidisciplinary case study, because in this subject, you will be having the case study based on each and every subject that you have studied. Okay, like on taxation, like on indirect taxes, you might be having the case study on this topic. So, multidisciplinary study is about that. Okay, so it is not advisable to go for that subject. Okay, because these subjects are going to give you some specialization. Multidisciplinary study, you will not get that specialization. Okay, so basically we will be having how many options? So basically we have only one, two, three, four, and five options. Multidisciplinary study, if we cancel it, If we cut it, multidisciplinary study, okay, then we have total five options. Okay, now people choose this out of this subject on the basis of the previous attempt. That is, people asked to the last year student, or the student who appeared in the last examination. People asked them which paper was easy. Okay, some of them say risk management was easy, some of they say financial service and capital market was easy, some of they say international taxation was easy. Dear friends, these subjects are different subjects. Okay, you cannot compare the risk management paper with the financial services, or you cannot compare the economic laws with the international taxation. Okay, so it might happen that in one attempt the international taxation is easy, it might happen that in one attempt economic laws is easy. Okay, and if you have studied in depth, okay, then each and every subject is easy for you. Okay, and the best part for this paper is, this paper is an open book examination. This paper is open book examination. You can carry n number of books here with you. Okay, so you are not about to worry about how the paper will go. Paper will go magically good only. Okay, only the thing is that you have to choose wisely which subject you want to do. Okay, so this video, the purpose for making this video was this only, to make aware which subject to choose at paper number 6 level. Because paper number 6, obviously the paper number 6 is going to give you 100 marks. Okay, so 100 marks, we cannot deal with 100 marks in any case, no. Okay, like we cannot do an kind of experiment, risk management इस बार ले लेते हैं, बाद में नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर रिस्क मैनेजमेंट अगर पेपर डिफिकल्ट आया और बाई चांस अगर नहीं क्लियर हुआ तो आई विल गो फॉर इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन. वी कांट डू लाइक दैट, नो. Okay, so being a CA final students, we can't trade like that. So for this purpose, this video has been made. Okay, if you like it, please share with all your friends. Please share with all your friends who is finding a difficulty in choosing the paper number 6 option, which subject to choose, which subject to give for the examination purpose. Okay, thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your examination.